Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Marine Corps awards Neros multi-million contract for Archer FPV first-person view drone systems and training. Neros Technologies has secured a multi-million-dollar delivery order from the United States Marine Corps to provide Archer small unmanned aerial systems, SUAS, including kinetic strike-capable FPV first-person view drones. The contract also includes hands-on operator training and support across the Fleet Marine Force, FMF. The deal supports the Marine Corps drive to rapidly field combat-tested, American-made drone systems that offer asymmetric effects to expeditionary combat units. Archer FPVs are certified under the Department of War's Blue UAS program and are built without Chinese components. This order reflects the lightning pace the Marine Corps is working at to train, develop TTPs, and deploy FPV capabilities. The Marine Corps Attack Drone Team and Marine Corps Warfighting Lab have been instrumental in positioning the Marines as the first mover in FPV within the service branches, said Soren Monroe-Anderson, CEO of Neros Technologies. Monroe-Anderson added, "We are proud to work with our partners at Kraken Kinetics, makers of the Terminus Modular Mission Payload System, to deliver these systems and associated training within months, thanks to our scaled production operation and dedicated mission success team." He continued, "We are very grateful for the Marine Corps support, and we are committed to putting the best possible asymmetric FPV drone systems in Marines' hands. The delivery will provide immediate operational capability by integrating kinetic FPV drones directly into Marine infantry and expeditionary units. This pairing of technology and instruction reflects tactical lessons from the Ukrainian battlefield. Since its founding in 2023, Neros Archer has become the highest production rate drone built in the United States. The company's collaboration with the Defense Innovation Unit and early deployment in Ukraine demonstrate its speed and reliability in delivering critical systems. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.